It's Advent calendar season, so let's dive into a super easy, personalized and very quick to do way to surprise your loved one with a handmade, personalized Advent calendar this December. All you need are some sandwich bags and some gifts, washi tape, some pens to decorate. And now let's keep going. This is a super quick and easy idea for every skill set of artistry to just make something personal for your friends or family for the upcoming holiday season. So you just take out 24 sandwich bags and label them with the numbers from 1 to 24 for each day of Christmas. Here I decided to just go with a golden, dark red color palette and draw a bunch of stars around the numbers or draw a little Christmas ornament. Here you can go completely free with your imagination and your ideas. Let your creative spark run wild. For me, I just did some circles like little ornaments around the numbers and just change things up from here and there. For day 6 of Nicholas, I decided to make a little Santa hat on the number and just play around with it, but don't make it too complicated, as we have to complete 24 of those decorated bags in a way. But if you have time on your hand and want to get into more elaborate ways of decorating, you could absolutely do so, or you could make little collages on the paper and whatever floats your boat. For me, I did start with one collage, but the coating on the sandwich bags I had at hand were a bit rough for my glue, so I decided to just go with the painting method. But if you have other like little small paper bags to use for your DIY, maybe collaging could be a perfect option for you. So for me it was just simple old markers, and I thought it would be perfect to also show that you don't have to do something super complicated to surprise a loved one with a handmade gift. It can also be super simple, like just some decorated little bags and some thoughtful little gifts. I will show a few ideas for what to fill the bags up with later down the line. So hopefully this maybe can inspire you to pick up some sandwich bags and make a cute little handmade advent calendar for one of your friends or your family. If you want to get more into detail and to do a more complicated DIY for an advent calendar for one of your friends or family, or anyone you want to surprise with a beautiful advent calendar for 2025, I will also leave a link to my other examples of DIY advent calendars in the description down below. So I have a few different methods and ideas for DIY advent calendars, so that hopefully everyone finds one way of making this super beautiful and cute creative gift for someone this holiday season. I just absolutely love the thoughtfulness about a handmade advent calendar. I think it's so much better and more personalized and everything. I don't know. For me, it's the whole point of advent calendars. I'm always thinking about maybe getting myself arts and crafts advent calendar, but then I never pull the trigger on buying one, I guess, because it's always, I don't know, I just think it's so much more nicer if you just get one gifted that is personally made for yourself and not just buy something. But maybe I could do a testing advent calendar or unboxing for next year. If you would be interested in my opinion on some art advent calendars, let me know in the comments down below. Here I'm just showing you a bunch of different ideas of what to put in your advent calendar. I did do a mixture of some sweets and some, I don't know, little porridge pouches for a cute Christmas breakfast, or just some skincare and lip balm and different kind of chocolates, all Christmas themed, and some different teas. But you could also do something completely unrelated to Christmas, depending on the person you make the advent calendar for. Just think about the person and what they love and what would make them happy on a daily basis as a little present, and just fill up the sandwich bag with that. Or you could also write some little cards with like little gifts, or maybe just a coupon for go to a coffee shop together or something, or another adventure you could go on. There is no limit to your creativity, or maybe just the size of your bag is your limit in a way. What's your preferred advent calendar method? Or are you even having an advent calendar, or was it just something from your childhood? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Here I just started to wrap up the little presents I had gathered, because my sandwich bags are a little bit see-through, so I didn't want to kind of ruin the surprise, so I decided to just wrap the little presents in some Christmas wrapping paper and then add them to the bag, and I do a little mixture of some bags with some tea and some sweets and some with a kind of bigger little present in a way, and just make it a fun little colorful mixture. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's super fun and fast, easy DIY advent calendar tutorial. If you did, and if you are going to make an advent calendar for one of your friends or family, let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Or are you maybe making one for yourself? That could also be kind of cute, but then I would maybe recommend to do it as soon as possible, so you hopefully have forgotten about some of the things you did wrap up for yourself when December 1st starts. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.